We've been here in Klahanie a long time.
We'll be here tomorrow too. At Klahanie Chevron Service Center, we service all of your car's needs.
When it comes to fixing and properly maintaining your vehicle, you can do it yourself or rely on professionals. The do-it-yourself, at-home mechanic is a dying breed in today's society, and given the sophistication of today's cars and trucks, it's not too surprising and probably a good thing. The makeup of the internal combustion engine and all that went into making your car go didn't change much from the time of Henry Ford's Model T to the time when GM first introduced fuel injection engines in mass production in 1975. So your stay-at-home mechanic had every opportunity to learn and function on most any vehicle. But automobiles are so computerized these days. The average Joe may have plenty of screwdrivers and wrenches, but he doesn't have a diagnostic machine in his garage. Another factor is the cost of cars. If you can afford a car today, you can afford to pay someone to fix and maintain it. Henry Ford's declaration to make a car the average working man can afford is unfortunately a distant memory. Most new car purchases are financed by some amount. Do-it-yourselfers can still satisfy that itch by doing some routine maintenance. First of all, it's a good idea for all of us to get comfortable lifting the hood once in a while and seeing what's in there. Knowing what a properly functioning engine looks like makes it a lot easier to spot a problem when one comes up. When you do drive in to see your mechanic, you can better and fully explain what is wrong, and the professional can do their job and take good care of you.
Klahanie Service Center is located in Klahanie QFC Shopping Center. We're open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Our ASE Master Certified Technicians are present Monday through Saturday. Call or just come in to set up a repair or maintenance appointment.
And you don't need to take our word for it. Read our reviews on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. We're nearly all 5 stars.
Also, visit our website at KlahanieServiceCenter.com. We'll see you soon.